Which fitness tracker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Fitbit Inspire 3. Priced at $79.95, this tracker caught my eye because it blends functionality with style. If you want to enhance your fitness journey while monitoring your well-being, this is worth a serious look. So why does the Inspire 3 stand out? It's packed with features like 24/7 heart rate monitoring and automatic sleep tracking. For instance, the daily stress management score helps you understand how your body responds to stress, which is super important if you're juggling a busy life. Plus, with over 40 exercise modes, you can track everything from yoga to running, ensuring you're motivated to stay active. With more than 10,000 units sold last month, it's clear that people are loving it. Now, some users have pointed out that the battery life could be better. Some report needing to charge it more frequently than they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who enjoys checking in on their health daily, a quick charge isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive health tracker without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something with advanced features like built-in GPS. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more advanced tracking needs.
Product number 2, Fitbit Charge 6. We have the Fitbit Charge 6. This one's a bit pricier, but it offers so much value. Although the exact price isn't listed, it's known for being a step up in functionality. If you're serious about your fitness and want a bit more from your tracker, pay attention. The Charge 6 is fantastic because it includes built-in GPS. This means you can track your runs without needing your phone, which is a big deal if you prefer going light. It also has a stress management score and sleep tracking that helps you wake up feeling refreshed. The fact that it links with exercise machines to show your heart rate, that's a big win, especially if you're hitting the gym hard. However, some users have mentioned that the setup process can be a bit complicated. Here's why it's still worth it. Once you get it up and running, the insights you gain about your fitness and health are incredibly helpful for achieving your goals. This is ideal for you if you want a fitness tracker that doubles as a smart assistant. But if you're looking for something super simple without the bells and whistles, you might want to reconsider. Now, if the price of the Charge 6 was a concern, the next one is a fantastic budget-friendly alternative. Product number 3, Fitbit Inspire 3, Lilac Bliss. The third option is another Fitbit Inspire 3, this time in a lovely lilac burst color. Priced the same at $79.95, it's visually appealing while delivering the essential features you need. If aesthetic and function matter to you, this is worth considering. It has the same great features as the previous Inspire 3, like 24/7 heart rate monitoring and daily sleep tracking. The automatic exercise tracking is especially helpful for those who forget to start their workouts. It also offers menstrual health tracking, which is a nice touch for women's health. With a lightweight design and water resistance, this is perfect for those who lead an active lifestyle. However, some users have mentioned that the heart rate monitor can be slightly inaccurate during high-intensity workouts. But honestly, if you're not a professional athlete and just want general health insights, it's more than sufficient. This is great for anyone wanting a practical and stylish health tracker without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for advanced metrics or specific sports tracking. Now, if you're looking for something more affordable without sacrificing features, the next product might catch your eye.
Product number 4, Torjolf Smartwatch. Let's talk about the Torjolf Smartwatch. At just $23.99, this is a steal and a great entry-level option. If budget is your main concern, this could be the game changer you need. The Torjolf Smartwatch is IP68 waterproof, meaning you can take it swimming or wear it in the rain without worry. It has a larger 1.83-inch full touchscreen, which provides a vibrant display. This watch supports multiple sports modes and monitors heart rate and sleep quality, ideal for anyone looking to track their fitness without a hefty price tag. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity allows you to receive notifications directly on your wrist. However, some users have mentioned that the battery life could be better, with just 5 to 7 days per charge. But honestly, considering the low price, it's a fantastic trade-off for someone who wants basic tracking without breaking the bank. This watch is perfect for fitness newbies or anyone wanting to try out a fitness tracker without a big commitment. Skip this if you need more advanced features or a premium feel. Alright, that was a solid budget option, but the last product on my list could offer even more bang for your buck. Product number 5,
Bakur Fitness Tracker. We have the Bakur Fitness Tracker, priced at $28.99. This is another excellent budget choice that balances features and price. If you're looking for a tracker that covers all the basics, this is definitely worth checking out. The Bakur tracker includes a 1.1-inch AMOLED display and offers all-day activity tracking with 25 sports modes. This means you can monitor everything from walking to swimming. It also tracks your sleep patterns, giving you insights into your rest quality, which is crucial for recovery. With IP68 water resistance, it's designed to keep up with your lifestyle. However, some users have noted that the app can be a bit glitchy at times. Here's the deal. If you're not tech-savvy and prefer a smooth app experience, this might be frustrating. But if you're just looking for basic health monitoring, it's a solid choice. This is great for anyone who wants a reliable fitness tracker without spending a fortune. Skip it if you want advanced health metrics or a premium app experience. In conclusion, all 5 of these options provide fantastic value for budget-friendly fitness tracking. Whether you prioritize style, advanced features, or just basic functionality, there's something here for everyone.
We have the Fitbit Inspire 3 for stylish monitoring, the Charge 6 for advanced tracking, the Lilac Inspire 3 for budget-conscious and aesthetics, the Torjolf for those just starting out, and the Bakur for basic yet reliable tracking. Each offers something unique, so pick the one that fits your needs best.